solve this equation, we'll rewrite the first line of the equation. So in the first line we have 2x plus 5y minus 3 equals x plus 2y plus 7. And to do this, we call x and y to the left-hand side and take the constants to the right-hand side. So we are collecting like terms. So we would have 2x, and then this is positive x, which when it crosses the equality sign becomes minus x. Now we have y, so we have plus 5y, and then when plus 2y crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2y. Then equals, here we have 7. And then when minus 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 3. So let's tidy this up. 2x minus x gives us x. Then 5y minus 2y gives us plus 3y. And this equals 7 plus 3, and that is 10. So let's call this our equation 3. Given that this is equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now for equation 2, from our equation 2, where we have x over 3 minus 2y over 3 equals 3. We're going to multiply through by the LCM of 3 and 3, so that is multiplied through by 3. Multiply through by 3. That will mean we'll have 3 multiplied by x over 3 minus 3 multiplied by 2y over 3 equals 3 multiplied by 3. Now here, 3 cancels 3, so we have x. 3 cancels 3, so we have minus 2y equals 3 multiplied by 3, and that gives us 9. So this is our equation 4. Now put 3 and 4 together so that we can see it clearly. Equation 3 says x plus 3y equals 10. And equation 4 we have x minus 2y equals 9. Now, in this case, to solve it simultaneously, we make x the subject of the equation in either equation 3 or equation 4. So I will go with equation 4. So I will say from equation 4, I can write it to say x equals, now I have 9, and when minus 2y crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 2y. And this becomes our equation 5. Now, we substitute. X equals 9 plus 2y into equation 3. So meaning anywhere I find x in equation 3, I will replace it with 9 plus 2y. And when we write equation 3, we have x first. So replacing that, we have 9 plus 2y. Then we continue to have plus 3y equals 10. Now let's solve for y. When we collect like terms, we have 2y plus 3y equals 10 minus 9. Because when 9 crosses the equality sign, it takes the negative sign. Now, 2y plus 3y gives us 5y, which is equal to 10 minus 9, which is 1. And when we divide both sides by 5, you see that our y equals 1 over 5. This shows that you can also get a fraction as the answer of any of the unknown variables. So let's substitute. Y equals 1 over 5 into equation 5. So that is in equation 5. Anywhere I see y, I will put 1 over 5. So my x would then be equal to 9 plus 2 into, in place of y, I have 1 over 5. Now to solve this, we have x equals 9 plus 2 over 5. This is just like saying 9 over 1 plus 2 over 5. And when we take LCM, LCM is 5. Now 5 divided by 1 will give us 5. And then 5 multiplied by 9, we have 45. Plus 5 divided by 5, that's 1. Multiplied by 2, and we have 2. This will give us 47 over 5. Therefore, x equals 47 over 5, and our y equals 1 over 5. You can check it with any of the equation. So let's check using equation 3. From equation 3, where we have x minus 2y equals 9. I will then substitute the value of x and y into this equation. So on our left hand side, we would have, in place of x, we would have 47 over 5 minus 2 into y, which is 1 over 5. And when we tidy this up, we would have 47 over 5 minus 2 over 5. Now let's take LCM. LCM is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. Multiplied by 47, and we have 47 minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. Multiplied by 2, and we have 2. This will give us 45 over 5. And 45 divided by 5 will give us 9, which is consistent with the right hand side. Hence, it is correct. And that is the solution to this problem. Thank you.